Have you had an experience that you find someone very famous and you want to talk to them? You will be willing to pay for talking to them, but you don't know how to reach them. There's basically no channel for you to do that. And there is a service that allows you to do that. And in fact, there are a lot of multiple companies are doing this. It's becoming a thing now. That's what we are going to talk about today. By the way, if you would like to receive more technology analysis videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is my greatest support to make more videos like this. And back to our topic, one-on-one expert calls. There are more and more platforms that allows you to do this. And for example, superpeer is a company that allows you to have such kind of one-on-one calls with experts. In fact, they just raises $8 million today. And their service is really just like this. They allow you to reach famous people, experts, pay for their expertise. Maybe you want to have some advice from them. Then you pay certain amount of dollars, like hourly rate. You pay for them, arrange a call, schedule a call, and have a good talk with them, good chat with them. And superpeer is a very interesting company. They are expanding their business model, not only for one-on-one calls. Now they also allow experts to have a group call with multiple people. And you can also they are also going to provide a subscription based service for people. Basically means maybe a group of people want to access an expert, then they want to have a regular call like that, so they can pay subscriptions like monthly subscription, and they can have maybe 2-3 calls a month. They sort of things they are still figuring out their business models. And in fact, this is very, very competitive market. There are more people doing this. And if you think about this, the technology behind this is not that difficult. The barrier to entry is not that high, because nowadays the conferencing call solutions, there are so many. Even you just build a service, you allow them to maybe arrange Zoom call or some other calls. That's not too hard. You don't even have to build the video conferencing solution by yourself. You can use other people's solution. And what you have to build is the schedule things and the subscription service, handling service, payment service. So that's why it's becoming a competitive model. The most competitive advantage the early adapters, the early movers will have is network effects. Because if you have more experts on your platforms, it definitely will attract more users. And if you have more users on your platform, you will attract more experts. So that's why most people are starting moving fast. The one who can get most users will build their economic mode. But so far, no one has built that. And this service is more like OnlyFans for expertise. And it somehow replaces the book writing and the big event talks. If you think about it, in the past, those famous people, how they can monetize their expertise? Most of them maybe will write a book and monetize it, or they give a talks. But now they have another channel, which is to use this one-on-one expert calls, or you can say it's mentoring calls for people. And if they just say, I'm going to charge you something on their website, you probably will not really call them and pay. But if there's a platform, they solve this communication problem and the distribution problem and the trust problem, then you will probably feel it's much safer, much easier, much accessible to have such calls with them. So that's probably the new market. And the reason this market is emerging is because the video calls is just gets more and more quality now. And as for if is there really such needs, is really a pain point, is there really something people want, we need to keep observing. I'm not sure. It could be just the problem that's not really many people have, or it can be actually the potential problems, the needs that people actually have, but they didn't realize before. But anyway, if you would like to receive more analysis like today's videos, don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I will see you next time.